sit, where you honor your whole body. So sitting upright. From here, take a deep inhale. Your lower belly, deep into your lower belly, just above your genitals. Into your chest, into your heart. Feeling how you're engaging the muscles. And from there, just release everything out instantly. Let it out through the mouth, let it out through the nose, as you like. Release and relax your body. And again, breathing in deep. Your belly into your chest, sitting up tall. Breathing in deep into your belly, into your chest. Go with your breath. And just release it out. By relaxing your belly or chest. That's the whole breathing practice that we're doing today. Deep into your belly, into your chest. Feel how you're engaging the muscles. And then release all the muscles. Relaxing your whole body. Let's go a few more times. And slowly, next time you release your breath, coming back to your body, to your whole being, connecting to your whole being, and slowly coming out of it again. Take care.